A very good morning to everyone over here. A very happy 7th International Yoga Day to all. I welcome you all to our this Surya Innovation Program. Let's also welcome our 3 esteemed judges over here. Dr. Deepak Bagadia. He's a retired yoga professor from Somaiya College of Yoga, and he's been an evaluator for yoga exams all across the country. Then I welcome Usha ma'am. Yes. Welcome Deepak sir.
Thank you. Good morning to all.
Yes. Then I welcome Usha ma'am. Yes, she is our founder of Ami Yoga, and she has taught 25,000 plus participants and 200 plus yoga teachers. Very happy to see you, ma'am. I also now welcome Rita ma'am. She is a senior teacher, and she has been working in the field of yoga since last 25 years. Thank you, ma'am, for coming. Welcome to you. I now welcome Megha ma'am to speak a few words about this Surya Innovation Program. I hand over to Megha ma'am now.
Thank you, Hari Om, and happy International Yoga Day to all. Welcome judges, and thank you very much for being here today. So let me just explain a little bit about this concept of Surya innovation before we start.
Ma'am, can you unmute?
Sorry. So this whole concept of Surya innovation, it came about because if you look at today's lifestyle, all of us spend a lot of time not moving. And mind is very distracted, but the body is quite still. And therefore, the whole treasure that our ancient yogis gave us, we thought that we need to adapt it to a modern lifestyle. And that is how this whole concept of Surya innovation came about. So it is called Surya innovation because the practices, they in some way resemble the flows of Surya Namaskar. Basically, they are flow yoga practices. Secondly, when you do the practices, you will find most of them stimulate your solar plexus. And therefore, the Surya word came about. And innovation, because they are all innovative practices, this whole event has given a lot of opportunity for long-term yoga practitioners and yoga teachers especially to innovate, come up with their own practices, and we can see a lot of effort taken in that direction. With that, I would urge all of you to practice today with the candidates who are showing you the practices and really enjoy yourselves as you do the various innovative stretches. With this, I would like to hand over to Dr. Deepak Bagadia, who is our judge and who has done a very critical work in evaluating these participants. So over to you, Deepak ji.
Good morning to all. Hari Om, and thank you very much, Ami team, for giving me opportunity, to get exposed to these innovative activities as well as creative participants. It's really, pleasure to go through this creativity of each and every participant who have shown, the development of right brain, I would say, right hemisphere of the brain. What they have added actually helps to not only to the body but the body-mind complex, and creation of good positive hormones by varieties of sets of practices. So Surya Namaskar actually is the oldest yoga practice, I would like to say, that when no other gods were there on this earth, Surya was worshipped by each and everybody without communicating with each other. because Surya is the source of life, as we all know. And then without Surya, without sun, we cannot live. So we should salute always the rising sun. And that's how Surya Namaskar was developed. Even in the oldest scripture, Rig Veda also has mention of, worshipping sun. So that's how Surya Namaskar is having so much importance in our life, and as well as the yoga practices, because it is set of so many asanas or so many types of exercises which develops our body. So I'm really happy to see all these varieties, and you also will be happy to see some of them which, in the limited time we would like to exhibit. So again, thank you very much. Without wasting much time, I will hand over back to Mega Madam, and pranam to Usha Madam, Mega Madam, and the entire team. I will always appreciate and part of that. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you, Deepak sir, for those words. And now I would request everybody to be ready with a chair, because we are starting with the chair practice first. The level of difficulty with each participant will slightly increase. The first one being a little more moderate. So I request once again that you all can be ready with your chair, and then I call upon the first candidate, Ritu Agarwal, to demonstrate the practices.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Ritu Agarwal, Army Yoga teacher. So today we'll be practicing 20-step chair Surya Namaskar. So this Surya Namaskar is pretty simple and can be practiced by all the age groups. And with this Surya Namaskar, you get wonderful stretches and some lovely bends to your spine. Lateral bend, twisting, forward bend, and backward bend. So let's begin with the practice. So everyone, please take a seat on the chair. Be very comfortable in your pose first. You should be very comfortable before starting the Surya Namaskar. See to it your spine is erect. Your feet are firmly on the ground or on the mat. Now let's take the first position, hands in Namaskar pose. Your fingers are joining, palms are joining, forearms are parallel to the floor, chin is parallel to the ground. 2, take your hands up and back, giving a good backward bend to your body. 3, interlock the fingers up, arms up, chin is parallel to the floor, and raise your heels up. 4, give the lateral bend on the right side and feel the stretch on the left side of your body. 5, come to the center and lateral bend to your left now. 6, come to the center. Bring your heels down now and slowly start bending forward. Go down completely. 7, twist to your right side. 8, twist to your left. 9, raise your right leg up, interlock your fingers around your right knee, head up and back. 10, head down, forehead or chin touching your knee. For 11, take your right leg to the right side. Slide your right hand down on your right leg, then take your left hand up. Look at the hand which is up. 12, bring the leg back, hands at the back, head up and back. Expand your chest. 13, raise your left leg up, interlock your fingers around your left knee, head up and back. 14, head down. 15, take your left leg to the left side now. Keep sliding your left hand down and right hand up. 16, bring the leg back. Now raise your right leg up and right hand up. Very good. 17, left leg up, left hand up. Bring the leg down, hand down. 18, put your hands down, go down. 19, hands up and back. And 20, Namaskar pose. Just keep your eyes closed for a while. Feel the effect of the practice. Give a smile on your face. Very good. Slowly release, open your eyes. Now let's go for the second round. Are you all ready for the second round? Okay, so let's practice the second round now. Again, let's start. Hands in Namaskar pose. 1, 2, hands up and back. Smile a little. 3, interlock the fingers up, palms up, heels up. Shoulders parallel to the floor. 14, lateral bend to your right. Slowly lateral bend to the left. Come to the center, heels down. For 6, slowly go down. Twist to your right. Twist to your left. Nine, come to the center. Interlock the fingers around your right knee. Head up and back. 10, head down. 11, right leg to the right side. Slide your right hand down. Left hand up. 12, come to the center, hands at the back, backward bend. 13, left leg up, interlock the fingers, head up and back. 14, head down. 15, leg to the left side. Slide your left hand down, right hand up. 16, bring the legs together, right leg up, right hand up. Down, 17, left leg up, left hand up. Down, 18, slide your hands down, go down. 19, hands up and back. 20, Namaskar pose. Just close your eyes. Feel the effect of Surya Namaskar. Slowly release. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu, for very simple yet very effective Surya Namaskar variation. Okay, now I request Sujata, our next candidate, to present her set of practice. Sujata, you can start your practice.
Firstly, my most grateful pranams to all my teachers and gurus. A huge thank you to Ami Yoga for giving this opportunity, and a very good International Yoga Day morning to all of us. My name is Sujata Anand Seshadri and I have been a yoga student for the past 4 to 5 years. The Surya Novation practice that we'll be doing now is a standing one. It's a very easy and simple practice and can be done by all age group and all levels of yoga practitioner, beginner to advanced. However, as it involves a few forward bends, a word of caution: if you have vertigo or heart ailments or high BP, be watchful and everyone go as per your capacity, be fully involved in the practice and just enjoy the practice. So let us get ready to begin. All of you please stand in the center of your mat. Just take a moment to center yourself, getting ready to do the practice. Let us begin. Step 1, your feet together, join your palms in Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Close your eyes, visualize the bright rising sun and send your salutations to the sun. Open your eyes. Step 2, take your hands up and back. Give a slight backward bend. Step 3, bring your hands sideways in line with the shoulder and give a gap of 3.5 to 4 feet between your feet. Step 4, Virabhadrasana 1 from the right side. For that, take your right foot to the right side. Bring your left foot slightly to the right side. Take your entire body and face the right side. Join the palms. Start bending your right leg at the knee. Take your hands up and look up at the thumb. Ensure the body weight is taken by the left stretched leg and not on the right knee. To release, bring the hands down, body to the front, feet to the front. Step 5, Virabhadrasana 1 from the left side. For that, take your left foot to the left side. Bring your right foot slightly to the left side. Turn your entire body to the left. Join the palms. Start bending your left leg at the knee. Take your hands up and look up. Release, bring the hands down, face to the front, feet to the front. Step 6 will be a forward bend. So start bending forward and try to place your palms on the mat. Go as per your capacity, and if you cannot reach the mat, it's okay. Stop wherever comfortable. This is step 6. Step 7. Take your right hand up and look up. Bring your right hand down. Step 8. Take your left hand up, look up. Bring your left hand down. Slowly come up. Arms sideways. Step 9 will be Virabhadrasana 2 from the right side. For that, take your right foot to the right side. The body is facing the front. Bend your right leg at the knee. Turn your head and look at your right hand. Release, straighten your right leg. Bring the right foot to the front. Step 10, Virabhadrasana 2 from the left side. Take your left foot to the left side. Body is facing the front. Bend your left leg at the knee. Turn your head, look at the left fingers. Release, face to the front, straighten your right leg, feet to the front. Step 11, join your legs, take your hands up and back. Step 12, Namaskar Mudra. This was one round of the Surya Novation. Let us go in for the second round. So let us begin. Join your palms in front of the chest. Step 1. Step 2, take your hands up and back. Give a slight backward bend. Step 3, arms by the side in line with the shoulder. A gap of 3.5 to 4 feet between your feet. Step 4, Virabhadrasana from the right side. Turn your right foot to the right side. Left foot slightly to the right. Entire body to the right. Join the palms. Bend the right leg at the knee. Take your hands up. Look up. Slowly release. Step 5, Virabhadrasana 1 from the left side. Take your left foot to the left. Take your entire body to face the left. Join the palms. Bend your left leg at the knee. Take your hands up. Look up. Release. Bring your hand down. Face to the front. Step 6, forward bend. Go as per your capacity. Step 7, right hand up, look up. Bring the right hand down, take the left hand up, look up. Bring the left hand down, come up, hands with the side. Step 9, Virabhadrasana 2 from the right side. Take only the right foot to the right side, body is facing the front. Start bending your right leg at the knee. Turn your head with the right fingers. Slowly release, straighten your leg, feet to the front. Step 10, Virabhadrasana 2 from the left side. Left foot to the left. Body is facing the front. Bend your left leg at the knee. Turn your head, look at your left fingers. Slowly release. Step 11, feet together, hands up and back. Step 12, join your palms in Namaskar Mudra. I hope all of you enjoyed this variation to the Surya Namaskar. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Sujata, for that great standing Surya Namaskar. Now I request Bhavani Mohan to demonstrate her set of practices. Over to you, Bhavani.
Thank you, Farah. A very good morning to everyone. This is Bhavani here. I'm a yoga teacher. Wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. So now we'll see a 18-step Surya Innovation practice. Now again, this practice has all the stretches. It has the lateral stretch, forward bend, backward bend, and twisting. Please do the practice according to your capacity, the level you're comfortable. And those with knee problems, please be careful during the practice. Okay, let's start off. Please come to the front of your mat. Keep your spine erect, legs together. First step, hands and namaskar. Just watch your breath. Bring a smile on your face. Visualize the rising sun in front of you.
Bhavani, you be closer to the mic.
Yes. Yeah, now we are able to hear. Okay,
Yeah,
we
better.
start again.
Yes, be loud.
Yeah,
We can hear you.
Okay, step 1, legs together, hands in namaskar. 2, now take your hands up, stretch up nicely in Tadasana. Feel the nice stretch in your body. 3, now go down, bend your knees, Utkatasana, and maintain. 4, now slowly come up, bring your right leg to the right, interlock your fingers, and laterally stretch right. Create Tadasana. 5. Now onto your left. Feel the nice stretch on the right hand side. 6. Now slowly come up. Release your hands. Take your right leg back. Left hand in front, right hand back. Slight bend on the left knee. Virabhadrasana position. 7. Now slowly take your right hand up. Feel the stretch on the left hand side. 8. Now take your left hand behind as you straighten your leg. Stretch up nicely. And then slowly bending your leg. Go down. Do it as per your capacity. 9. Now slowly come up. Release your hands. And bring your right leg in front. Now take your left leg back. You're repeating Virabhadrasana position with right leg in front, right hand in front. Now next step, take your right hand up, look up. Well, now take your right hand behind as you interlock your fingers and straighten your leg. Now go down, bending your right leg. Now 13, slowly come up, release your hands and left leg in front. 14, once again stretch up nicely in Tadasana. Now go down, bending your knees once again in Utkatasana. Now slowly come up, interlock your fingers, laterally stretch to the right. Now 17, onto your left. 18, release your hands and come back in Namaskar. Hope you are enjoying the practice. We'll do once again, one more round. Now step 1, keep your hands in Namaskar. Just watch your breath, let your breath come to normal. 2, now stretch up nicely. Tadasana. 3, now slowly go down, bending your knees. Utkatasana and maintain. 4, now come up, interlock your fingers and laterally stretch to the right. Feel the stretch on the left hand side. 5, now slowly go to the center, onto your left. 6, now come up, release your hands and take your right leg back. Slight bend on the left knee, Virabhadrasana position. 7, now take your left hand up, feel the stretch on the left hand side fully. 8, now take your left hand behind, interlock your fingers and straighten your left leg. Stretch up nicely and then go down, bending your knee, hands up. 9, now slowly come up, release your hands and bring your right leg in front. Turn, take your left leg back. Slight bend on the right knee. Right hand in front, left hand back. Here now take your right hand up and maintain, look up. 12, now as you take your right hand behind, interlock your fingers, straighten your leg, stretch up nicely, and then go down, bending your right knee. Now slowly come up, release your hands, and come in front, 13. Now once again stretch up, step 14 in Tadasana. Feel the nice stretch in your body. Now slowly go down, bending your knees, Utkatasana position, and maintain. Now 15, slowly come up, interlock your fingers, and lightly stretch to the right. Feel the stretch on the left hand side. Now slowly come to the center and onto your left. Now last step. Come to the center, release your hands, and back in Namaskar. Relax yourself. Feel the effect of the practice. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed the practice.
Thank you, Bhavani, for that challenging Surya Namaskar. I would actually request for everybody to take a few seconds for yourself. Just keep your eyes closed and try to feel the effect of the practices that we have done so far before starting with the next candidate. Just relax yourselves. You can exhale through the mouth. Take a breath in through the nose. And breathe out through the mouth. Just relax your heartbeat. And try to feel any sensation that you can feel in your body. I hope you are relaxed now. Now I request Meeta Kulkarni, our next candidate, to demonstrate her set of practice. It's going to be sitting Surya Namaskar variation. Meeta, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Meeta Kulkarni. I'm an electronics engineer, now shifted from external engineering to inner engineering. Now I'm a yoga teacher and evaluator. Today I am going to present my version of Surya Namaskar. It is having 22 steps, Surya Namaskar, and it has got multiple benefits. It's good for your spine, good for your digestion, respiration, body immunity. So let us start my version of Surya Namaskar. Before that, I would request that you please do according to your capacity. And if you have got any problem or any particular step find you difficult, then you can avoid that practice. So let us start. To sit in any comfortable position, cross-leg position, Sukhasana or Ardha Padmasana. Keep your back straight. Join your palms. Normal breathing. Inhale, exhale. Now, slowly take your hands up, head up, Normal inhalation, normal exhalation. Nice, expand your chest. Good for your lungs. Now slowly take your head down, hands down behind and interlock your fingers. Head up and slowly stretch forward. Forward bend. Bend forward if possible. Forehead on the floor. Feel the pressure at your abdomen. Keep breathing. Good for digestion. Slowly come up. Now straighten your right leg. Hold your left leg. Hold your right foot with your hand, then straighten your leg and bend your leg toward your body. Do as per your capacity. Good for circulatory system, good for your leg muscles, good for your varicose veins. If possible, touch your forehead to your knee. Keep breathing. Now slowly release. Right foot on the floor. Back straight. Now nicely encircle your knee. And take your head down. We remain in this posture for a while. Observe your breath. Observe the nice pressure you are getting at your abdomen. You will get all the benefits of Pawan Muktasana also. Now slowly take your head up. Right hand back. Practicing Vakrasana. Look back. Feel the nice twist. Good for your spine. Keep breathing. Beautiful smile on your face. We remain in this posture for a while. Now turn your face. Straighten your right leg. Hold your left leg and repeat all the steps with other leg also. Now straighten your left leg slowly and bring your left leg toward your body. If possible, forehead to your knee. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Slowly release. Now encircle your left knee. You can catch your opposite elbow or you can interlock your fingers. Now slowly take your head down. Keep breathing. Take your head up and go for Vakrasana. Left hand back, right hand across your left knee and look back. We remain in this posture for a while. Observe your breath, observe your body, observe your mind. Face in front. Straighten your left leg. Now separate your legs as per your capacity. Keep your back straight and head slightly up. Now slowly stretch forward by walking on your fingers. Bend down. If possible, forehead on the floor or you can go according to your capacity. We remain in this posture for a while. Take your head up and slowly come back. Now interlock your fingers. Stretch your hands up. Give nice stretch upward for your spine. We remain in this posture for a while. Keep breathing. Good for your lungs. Now, twist to right side and bend down toward your right leg. Slowly bend down and in the final posture, forearms on the floor. And if possible, forehead touch to your knee. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Take your head up. Come back. Interlock your fingers. Raise your hands up and repeat it other side. Slowly go down toward your left leg. Forearms on the floor. Toes pointing you. Forehead on your knee. Slowly come up. Release and relax. Now sit in Bhadrasana. Join your soul. Try to keep your back straight. Shoulders are relaxed. Now hold your left foot with your right hand and left hand up. Give nice lateral bend to your right side. Again, good for your lungs, good for body immunity, good for intercostal muscles. Remain in this posture for a while. Normal breathing. Now repeat other side also. Catch your right foot, right hand up. Lateral bend to your left side. Observe your breath. Release. Now stand upon your knees. We'll go for Uttrasana. Toes in standing position. Now take your right hand up. Catch your right ankle. Left hand up. Try to push your abdomen in forward. Good for your back. Slowly release. Other side. Now take your left hand up. Catch your left ankle, right hand back. Eyes can be open. Keep breathing. Slowly release. Now sit in Vajrasana. We'll go for Garudasana variation. Take your right hand in front and across right hand. Take your left hand. Try to join your palms. Keep breathing. Good for your shoulders, good for your elbows, good for your back muscles. Observe your breath. Observe the effect. Now interchange your hands. Right hand across your left hand. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Enjoy the posture. Now release your hands. Now we'll go for Mandukasana. Do as per your capacity because it is a balancing asana. You can take support of your palms, toes in standing position and slowly raise your knees up. When you are comfortable, join your palms. And if possible, take your hands up. Straighten your hands. Focus on a single point to maintain the balance. Good for your body-mind coordination. Then slowly release your hands and sit in Vajrasana. Now we'll go for Gomukhasana. Hold your legs in such a way that your both knees are in one line. Keep your back straight. Now head up and stretch your hands sidewise and bend down. If possible, chin to your knee. Keep breathing. Again, good for all the joints, knee joints, shoulder joints, good for your abdomen. Slowly come back, head up, and hands in namaskar, and release the posture. Thank you. We'll go for one more round. So again, second round, be ready. First, relax for a while, observe your breath, observe your mind, observe your body. Okay, let's start. Keep your back straight, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Observe your breathing, normal inhalation, normal exhalation. Beautiful smile on your face. Now raise your hands up. Head up. Observe your breath. Good for your lungs. Now take your hands down. Interlock your fingers at your back. Head up and then stretch forward. Bend down. If possible, forehead on the floor. Stretch your hands up and keep breathing. Again, come up. Release your hand, straighten your left leg, fold your right leg and catch your right foot. Slowly straighten your leg and then bring your leg toward your body. If possible, forehead on your knee. Feel the nice stretch at the back side of your leg. Keep breathing. Slowly release your leg. Right foot on the floor and nicely touch your opposite elbows and encircle your right knee. Head down. Observe your breath. Observe your body. Prana Dharana. Slowly head up. Vakrasana, right palm behind. Left hand across your right knee and look back. Observe your breath. Observe your body. Observe your mind. Keep breathing. Face in front. Other side. Hold your left leg. Hold your left foot. Straighten your leg. And bring your leg toward your body. Feel the effect. Keep breathing. Enjoy the posture. Slowly release. Now encircle your left knee. Catch your opposite elbows and slowly head down. Keep breathing. Prana Dharana, fixing of your mind on your breath. Vakrasana, left hand back, right hand across your left knee and look back. Feel the nice twist at your lower back, middle back. Keep breathing. Good for pancreas, good for your spine. Slowly release. Straighten your left leg. Now, both legs apart, toes pointing you, head up, back straight, and slowly stretch forward by walking on your fingers. Bend down. If possible, forehead on the floor and keep breathing. Come up. Now, interlock your fingers, raise your hands up. Give nice stretch to your spine. Now, go toward your right leg. Bend down. Forearms on the floor in the final posture. Forehead on your right knee. Keep breathing. Take your head up and slowly come back. Now go toward your left leg. Bend down. Forearms on the floor. Touch your forehead to your knee if possible or do according to your capacity. Good for varicose veins also. Now slowly come up. Sit in Bhadrasana, butterfly pose. Join your soles. Back straight, shoulders are relaxed. Keep breathing. Now hold your left foot with your right palm and then little bend to your left side, right side and keep breathing. Good for your lungs, good for respiration. Other side. Enjoy every step. Inhale, exhale, normal. Prana, Dharana. Slowly release. Now stand up on your knees for Ustrasana. Easy pose of Ustrasana. Stand. Toes in standing position. Raise your hands up. Right hand up. Catch your right ankle. Left hand up. Keep breathing. Observe your breath. Release. Other side. Left hand up. Catch your left ankle. Right hand up. Observe your breath. Do according to your capacity. And release. Now we'll go for Mandukasana. Stand upon your toes. And with the support of your palms, raise your knees up. And when you are comfortable, join your palms. Straighten your hands. Observe your breath. Good for body-mind coordination. Slowly release your hands and sit in Vajrasana. Now we'll go for Garudasana variation. Take your right hand in front, left hand across your right hand, join your palms. Eyes are closed. Observe your breath. Observe your body. Observe your mind. Enjoy the posture. Now interchange your hands. Eyes are closed. Slowly open your eyes. Release. Now sit in Gomukhasana for practicing Gomukhasana variation. Hold your leg such a way that both the knees are in one line. Back is straight. Now stretch your hands by the side and bend forward. If possible, chin to your knee. Keep breathing. Again, good for your spine, good for digestion, good for your shoulder joints. Take your head up and slowly come back. And release. And relax. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Meeta, for that great flow. Okay.
Madam, may I take 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
No, I just wanted to congratulate all the participants. They performed so nicely. I mean, I would give more credit to them rather than the demonstrator, because demonstrators were giving commentary also. It was difficult. But to take few names, Madhu and Shweta Anand and Rajdeep, and I don't remember all the names, but really, really great performance. And each demonstrator also did in a unique way. So congratulations to them also. Let us all clap. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. So now, as we have few more minutes left, we will do a little bit of pranayam. So we will do a very simple practice here, which is Anulom Vilom, or it's also called as Nadi Shuddhi. So you can just close your right nostril. Take a deep inhale from the left. Close your left nostril and exhale from the right. Again, inhale from the same side, that is the right nostril. Exhale from the left. This is one round. We will continue for 3 more rounds. Inhale from the left. Close the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Close the right. Exhale from the left. Third round. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Fourth round. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Last round. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. And relax your hand down and just feel the effect of the practices. Also try to feel the breathing in your nostrils. With a few blinks, you can gently open your eyes. I now request Rita ma'am for sharing her experience and share a few words with us. Ma'am, you will have to unmute.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Hari Om. My humble pranam to respected Usha ji, Deepak ji, and Megha ji. Wish you all very happy International Day of Yoga. Congratulations. It gave me a great sense of happiness to witness the amazing performance of Surya Novation by all of you. I would like to use this opportunity to convey my heartfelt appreciation to Ushaji and Megha for this brilliant idea of hosting this event. It was such a pleasure to be a part of this event. We appreciate the efforts put in by all. In this presentation, there was a sense of rhythm, harmony, and grace in moving from one pose to the other very gracefully, keeping all the perspective in mind. That is forward bend, followed by backward bend, lateral stretch, twisting, involving the whole body in a natural way. Synchronizing with breath, inducing deep relaxation At the same time, energizing and revitalizing the each and every cell of the body. Here, I would like to also appreciate that all four of them, Ritu, Sujata, Bhavani, Neeta, have done a great job in spite of limitation of space, light, recording system, etc. All four of them and all the participants deserve a big round of applause. They have done very well, nicely practiced. We could see that all of you were able to participate and practice different types of Surya Namaskar very comfortably and gracefully. It's a wonderful performance by all. Pat yourself lovingly. Yes, keep patting yourself. Very good. We are sure that all must be feeling very energetic and relaxed. I'm very grateful to Megha for giving me this opportunity to conclude this session. Thank you, Megha. I appreciate excellent comparing by Farah. Good job. On this International Day of Yoga, let us promise ourselves to adopt yoga as a way of life. On behalf of M Yoga, I wish you all good health and happiness always. Keep smiling and keep radiating happiness all around. Hari Om Tat Sat.